Welcome to a Hebraic Mindset Moment, and return to a Hebraic mindset. Let's explore covenant economics. This series is about restoring biblical order to how provision, stewardship, and giving actually function in a biblical covenant, according to Scripture, not religious tradition. Each teaching builds on the previous one. Nothing here stands alone. We are restoring foundations before application, because without foundation, obedience becomes distorted. What you're about to learn may surprise you. For many people, tithing has always felt confusing, heavy, or even wrong, but they were never allowed to ask why. Others have walked away entirely. Not because they rejected obedience, but because what they were taught produced guilt instead of blessing. This teaching exists to restore clarity, not pressure. Scripture never presents obedience as oppression. Yahuah describes his instructions as good, just, and life-giving. So when tithing becomes confusing, destructive, or burdensome, the problem is not Torah. It is tradition. Most people have not been taught covenantal tithing. They have been taught religious tithing. Those two are not the same, and they are actually opposed. Covenantal tithing flows out of relationship with Yahuah. It is governed by Torah. It follows covenant function, not institutions. Religious tithing flows out of tradition, institutional survival, and human authority structures. One is rooted in trust. The other is often enforced through pressure and fear. They may use the same word, but they do not come from the same source. Scripture directly condemns leaders who turn provision into exploitation. Through the prophet Ezekiel, Yahuah rebukes shepherds who feed themselves while neglecting the flock, who fail to strengthen the weak, heal the sick, and protect the vulnerable. That rebuke was not against provision. It was against abuse. This teaching does not attack people. It exposes systems that departed from the covenant order. Many have been wounded by religious abuse. Others remain under guilt, fearing that they are disobedient when they are simply trying to survive. Covenantal tithing was never designed to destroy households. It was designed to sustain instruction, protect the vulnerable, and honor Yahuah without crushing his people. When covenant is removed, giving becomes religious. When covenant is restored, giving becomes life-giving again. Before percentages, recipients, or applications can be discussed, one thing must be settled. We must separate covenant from religion, because until that distinction is clear, everything else will remain distorted. This has been an Ephraim's Cry Hebraic Mindset Moment. If you found this teaching was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to help others find these teachings. If you're looking to go deeper, Ephraim's Cry Academy exists for that purpose. The Academy offers structured, in-depth teaching from a Hebraic mindset. That is, a covenant-centered understanding and how Scripture fits together as a unified and whole counsel of Elohim. It's designed for the serious student, not surface-level content. In addition to the Academy, you can find further teachings and articles on our blog, as well as a growing library of study resources in our store. including printed study guides and downloadable materials for personal or group study. If you'd like to learn more, explore the resources, or consider enrolling in the Academy, you'll find the links in the description. You'll find additional teachings and related studies available here on the channel. Choose one of these videos to continue exploring.